my name is Sophia, and you are watching litenews24. Here is top story of the day. Apple and Google have been urged by the Federal Commissioner for Data Protection of Germany to remove the Chinese artificial intelligence AI model known as deepseek from their app stores in Germany. The move comes amid growing concerns over the protection of German users' personal data, which is reportedly being transferred to China. Reuters reports that Data Protection Commissioner Michael Kopp said the request was made because DeepSeek is sending German users' data to China. Apple and Google, two of the world's largest tech companies, are currently looking into the request and will decide whether or not to block the app in Germany. Apple and Google could not be reached for comment at this time, and DeepSeek has yet to respond. DeepSeek's privacy policy states that it stores AI-related requests and uploaded personal data files on servers located in China. Commissioner Kopp emphasized that DeepSeek has failed to provide convincing evidence to his agency on how German users' data is secured in China, in line with European Union standards. He also said that the Chinese government has access to data used by domestic businesses, which raises more privacy concerns. Kopp revealed that in May, DeepSeek was asked to comply with EU regulations on data transfers outside the bloc or voluntarily shut down its app in Germany. However, the company did not respond to the request, which led to calls for the app to be taken out of app stores. DeepSeek made headlines in January 2025 when it claimed to have developed an AI model comparable to American counterparts like OpenAI's ChatGPT, but at a significantly lower cost. However, the Chinese startup has faced scrutiny in the US and Europe over its data security policies. DeepSeek was removed from the app stores in Italy earlier this year for failing to provide sufficient information regarding its use of personal data. Similarly, the Netherlands has banned the use of DeepSeek on government devices.